Hey YouTube, welcome back to Christian Does DIY. Today we're going to be doing another project on the Silverado. This is a 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500. We're going to be upgrading the ignition coil packs. We're going to be using these TRQ high performance coil packs. Supposed to get about 15% more energy. A lot of users report that they definitely get more power. Some are saying they get even a little bit better gas mileage. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and update these. I have a link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing these. It is an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost anything extra to you guys. But let's go ahead and take a look and we'll show you how to do this relatively simple job. Alright guys, first thing that would be a good idea to do is go ahead and disconnect the negative terminal of your battery. But then to access your ignition coils, they're going to be under these black plastic covers on each side of your engine. So on your driver's side, first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to remove this hose. Yours might look a little different. The factory stock air intake manifold will sit here. It's like this big plastic thing. I have an aftermarket air intake, so that's been removed. So your hose will look a little different. There'll be like a little gray clip that you'll have to do. Mine is a clamp-on hose. So just to note that little difference there. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and undo that. Okay, so that comes off nice and easy for me. All right, next thing, go ahead and take your oil cap off. Set that aside. And then it might be helpful to take your dipstick out. And again, go ahead and set that aside. All right, so now this black cover should just pop off, just like this. There we go. A little hard to get that back side out. There you go. All right, so now that that's out, basically, I don't know which one you can see better, but these are your coil packs. And you got two 10mm bolts, top and bottom, and you've also got a wiring harness here. So the wiring harness has a red tab. You can go ahead and take a flathead screwdriver or something. You lift that tab up, and then you should be able to work this wire off. Might take a little effort if these have been on here a long time. There we go. There it goes. All right. Get that off. Next, grab your wire boot, and you want to work your wire off. When you reinstall, you could put a little dielectric grease in there if you want. I'm not going to, because I will also eventually be upgrading these wires. So from there, you're going to take your 10mm socket, take your bolts out. And it's as simple as that. So there's the old one out, and then you just put the new one in. And then the new ones, these bolts technically should be torqued down to, I think it's 6.6 foot-pounds. It's not really all that tight, so if you want to use a torque wrench, great. If not, just don't go nuts. So you just put your new one there. Put your bolts back on. And then tighten it back down. All right, put your boot back on until it clicks, and then put your wire back on until it clicks, push your red tab down. And that's pretty much it. So then you just go ahead and work all the rest of them. You put your cover back on, reconnect your hose, oil cap, dipstick. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Pretty quick, simple job. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Take care.